If you're thinking about buying a used 2007 to 2013 GMC Sierra or Chevy Silverado, it's important to know what real owners have experienced. In this video, we'll go over the most common problems reported by drivers. Number 1. Engine misfires, leading to stabilitrack and traction control issues. Owners of 2007 to 2013 GMC Sierra models have frequently reported engine misfires accompanied by service stabilitrack and service traction control warnings. These issues often manifest as rough idling, flashing check engine lights, and reduced engine power. Diagnostic trouble codes such as P0300, random multiple cylinder misfire, and P0305, cylinder 5 misfire, are commonly retrieved during these events. The root causes of these symptoms vary. Faulty spark plugs, worn or damaged ignition coils, and malfunctioning fuel injectors are typical culprits. For instance, in one case, an owner replaced spark plugs, wires, and coils on all 8 cylinders after encountering a P0305 code, only to have the misfire and associated warnings reoccur after a few days. In more severe instances, mechanical failures such as bad lifters have been identified. One owner experiencing a P0307 code, cylinder 7 misfire, discovered after a compression test that a bad lifter was the underlying issue, a problem noted as relatively common by their mechanic. Additionally, throttle position sensor (TPS) malfunctions can trigger these warnings. A failing TPS may cause erratic engine behavior, leading to misfires and the subsequent disabling of stability control systems. In one report, a 2007 GMC Sierra owner received P0121, TPS, and P0301 cylinder 1 misfire codes, accompanied by hard shifting and lifter noise. Number 2. Electrical system malfunctions. Owners of the 2007 to 2013 GMC Sierra have reported various electrical system malfunctions, often leading to unpredictable vehicle behavior. Common issues include dashboard lights flickering, gauges fluctuating erratically, and intermittent failures of the air conditioning, radio, or power windows. Some owners have also experienced a sudden loss of power steering assistance, accompanied by warning messages on the instrument cluster. A frequent culprit behind these problems is a failing body control module BCM, which manages various electrical functions in the truck. Corroded or loose grounding connections, particularly under the driver's side frame rail, can also contribute to erratic electrical behavior. In one case, an owner fixed repeated power loss issues by cleaning and securing the ground connections near the driver's door. Addressing these electrical issues often requires thorough diagnostic work, including checking ground connections, testing the alternator, and scanning for trouble codes related to the BCM. Number 3. Battery drain issues. The 2007 to 2013 GMC Sierra is known for battery drain issues, where the battery dies overnight or within a few days of inactivity. Even after replacing the battery and alternator, some drivers still experience unexplained power loss. A common cause of this issue is a parasitic draw from electronic modules that stay active when they shouldn't. The OnStar system is one of the biggest culprits, as it sometimes fails to power down properly. Unplugging the OnStar module has resolved the problem for many Sierra owners. Another frequent cause is a faulty body control module, BCM, which can keep certain systems powered even when the truck is turned off. Corroded or loose ground connections, especially under the driver's side frame rail, can also contribute to electrical malfunctions that drain the battery. Cleaning and securing these grounds has helped some owners eliminate the issue. To diagnose a battery drain, a parasitic draw test using a multimeter can pinpoint excessive current loss. By removing fuses one by one, owners can identify which circuit is causing the problem. Addressing the issue early is important to prevent repeated battery failures and potential long-term damage to the truck's electrical system. Number 4. Fuel filling difficulties. The gas pump repeatedly shuts off while refueling. This can make it frustrating and time-consuming to fill the tank, as the pump clicks off every few seconds, even when fuel flow is minimal. One of the most common causes of this problem is a faulty EVAP system vent valve. When the vent valve gets stuck closed, air inside the fuel tank has nowhere to escape, causing pressure buildup that forces the gas pump to shut off prematurely. Replacing the vent valve solenoid has solved the issue for many Sierra owners. Another potential cause is a clogged charcoal canister in the EVAP system. Over time, fuel vapors can cause charcoal particles to break down and block the venting pathway, leading to similar fuel filling difficulties. In some cases, replacing both the vent valve and the charcoal canister is necessary to restore proper function. Some owners have also reported that a kinked or obstructed filler neck can contribute to slow or interrupted fuel flow. Inspecting the filler neck for blockages and ensuring proper hose routing can help resolve the issue. Regular maintenance of the EVAP system and addressing venting problems early can prevent further complications, such as check engine lights and emission system failures. Number 5. Rough ride quality. The 2007 to 2013 GMC Sierra is often criticized for having a rough ride, especially on uneven roads or after suspension modifications. While some level of stiffness is expected in a truck, excessive harshness can indicate underlying issues with the suspension system. One of the main causes of a rough ride is worn out or failing shock absorbers. Over time, factory shocks lose their ability to absorb impacts, making bumps and potholes feel much more pronounced. Upgrading to high-quality aftermarket shocks, such as Bilstein or Rancho, has helped many owners achieve a smoother ride. Another factor contributing to ride discomfort is improper tire pressure. Running tires at maximum PSI, particularly on all-terrain or mud terrain tires, can make the truck feel significantly harsher. Lowering the tire pressure within the recommended range, especially when driving unloaded, can improve ride quality. Some Sierras also experience rough rides due to leaf spring issues. Worn or sagging leaf springs can cause excessive bouncing and a stiff feel over bumps. Adding an extra leaf or replacing old springs can help restore comfort. Finally, suspension lift kits and leveling kits can sometimes worsen ride quality if installed incorrectly or paired with stock components that aren't designed for the additional height. Ensuring proper suspension geometry and using upgraded shocks or control arms can help maintain a balanced ride.
Number 6. Persistent Diagnostic Trouble Code. Persistent Diagnostic Trouble Codes, DTCs, such as P0171 and P0174, which indicate a lean condition in the engine, are common issues in the 2007 to 2013 GMC Sierra. These codes suggest that the engine is running with an excessive amount of air and not enough fuel, often leading to poor engine performance, rough idling, and decreased fuel efficiency. The most frequent causes of these persistent lean codes are dirty or faulty mass airflow MAF sensors. The MAF sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine and helps the engine control module, ECM, adjust the fuel injectors accordingly. If the sensor becomes contaminated or malfunctions, it can send incorrect readings to the ECM, causing an imbalance in the air-fuel ratio. Cleaning or replacing the MAF sensor typically resolves the issue. Vacuum leaks are another common reason for persistent lean codes. Cracked or loose hoses, gaskets, or the intake manifold can allow extra air into the engine, which throws off the air-fuel mixture. Inspecting and replacing worn or damaged vacuum hoses and seals is necessary to fix this issue. Faulty oxygen sensors, which monitor the exhaust gases to ensure the proper air-fuel ratio, can also trigger these codes. If an oxygen sensor is reading incorrectly, it may cause the ECM to miscalculate the air-fuel mixture, leading to the engine running lean. Replacing a faulty sensor often clears the code. In some cases, the fuel injectors themselves may be clogged or malfunctioning, leading to inadequate fuel delivery. Cleaning or replacing the fuel injectors can restore proper fuel flow. Number 7. Excessive oil consumption. Excessive oil consumption is a common issue with the 2007 to 2013 GMC Sierra, particularly in models equipped with the 5.3-liter V8 engine. Owners have reported that their trucks burn more oil than expected, requiring more frequent oil top-ups between changes. This issue can lead to engine damage if not addressed, as running low on oil can cause increased wear on internal components. One of the main causes of excessive oil consumption in these trucks is the Active Fuel Management (AFM) system, which deactivates half of the engine's cylinders during light driving to improve fuel efficiency. The AFM system has been linked to increased oil consumption due to higher stress on the engine's internal parts when switching between active and deactivated cylinders. Over time, the lifters, valves, and piston rings may wear down, allowing oil to seep into the combustion chamber and burn off. Another cause of excessive oil consumption can be worn-out piston rings, which prevent oil from leaking into the combustion chamber. When the piston rings become worn or damaged, they lose their ability to seal the combustion chamber properly, allowing oil to burn off. Replacing the piston rings requires significant engine work and can be costly. In some cases, faulty valve seals may be the culprit, allowing oil to leak into the combustion chamber when the engine is not running. This can lead to increased oil consumption, smoke from the exhaust, and potential damage to the catalytic converter. Number 8. Transmission shifting problems. Excessive transmission slipping is a known issue for the 2007 to 2013 GMC Sierra, particularly with models that have the 4L60E and 6L80 automatic transmissions. This problem is often characterized by hesitation or a noticeable delay when shifting gears, accompanied by a sudden loss of power or a feeling that the truck is slipping between gears. One of the most common causes of transmission slipping in these trucks is low or degraded transmission fluid. Over time, the fluid can become contaminated or lose its effectiveness, causing the transmission to operate less efficiently. Regular fluid checks and changes are essential to ensure the transmission operates smoothly. Another cause of slipping can be a malfunctioning torque converter, which is responsible for transmitting power from the engine to the transmission. A faulty converter can lead to improper power transfer, causing slipping or jerking during shifts. In such cases, replacing the torque converter is often necessary. Worn or damaged clutch packs are another potential cause. The clutch packs engage and disengage gears within the transmission, and when they wear out, they can cause poor shifting behavior, including slipping. Rebuilding or replacing the transmission may be required if the clutch packs are the issue. In some cases, electrical problems can cause transmission slipping. Faulty sensors, wiring issues, or malfunctioning solenoids that control shifting can prevent the transmission from operating properly. Diagnosing and replacing faulty electrical components can resolve the issue. If you've experienced transmission slipping or agree with the issues mentioned, be sure to leave a comment and share your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates and information on the 2007 to 2013 GMC Sierra and other truck topics.